What's up YouTube, this is Print Practical. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Overture Highspeed TPU. Specifically, I have a roll of grass green here. I'm a huge fan of Overture's TPU. I use it for many functional projects, but the one that I've been mainly working on are my disc off disc prototypes. Here I have two of them printed in the normal TPU, the not high speed version. And the flexibility is amazing. I always get great print quality out of this. Highspeed TPU, they're saying 220 to 240 degrees C with a bed temp of 25 to 60 degrees C and a print speed of up to 60 to 90 millimeters a second. We got the fresh roll here. You'll see people on the internet say that you're supposed to dry TPU even new out of the bag before loading it in your printer, or you're gonna see some bad prints. I've never had an issue with Overture. This stuff is pretty dialed out of the bag, so I'm going to just slam it right in this printer. So this cube that has the black bottom is the one that was printed at normal speed, and then the one on the right is the one that was printed at high speed. This one took 47 minutes, this one took 20 minutes, and they look almost identical. So here's the finished Benchy. It's not perfect. It's pretty good. It has some little flaws. There's some there. You know, we got a little bit of flaws here. There's some weird artifact in the print along this side of the bow. A little bit of stringing there. Pretty good for the speed that it printed at. It only took 40 minutes as opposed to an hour and 20 minutes with the old TPU settings. As you can tell, it's been a few days, got the haircut. I've been printing this TPU like mad. I printed out 5 disc off discs. 3 of them are here, 2 of them are in my car. I got a Benchy, a few calibration cubes. I've printed out some motorcycle turn signal clamps that I did in a live stream, and this stuff is awesome. I mean, this is incredible. It took my print time on these disc off discs from 17 hours to about 7 hours each. The quality is just perfect. I mean, these things look excellent. Overall, I'd say that this is by far the best TPU I've ever used, for sure. So if you're interested in it, I got some links to it to Amazon in the description. Go ahead, buy a roll or two. This stuff is awesome. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.